You are watching FaheemShaheen, Learn and Talk. Alphabet Stories, Series E, Eric Eats Egg by FaheemShaheen. Hi, it's a story about Eric. Eric likes to eat eggs. Eric eats an egg every day because he loves to eat egg. Eric does not ever miss a day. Eggs are weakness of Eric. Eric eats eggs each and every day. Eric eats his eggs even on holidays. Eric even eats Easter eggs. Eric eats extra eggs on Easter because he loves. Eric cannot get enough eggs. Eric likes to eat eggs. Eric eats an egg every day. Eric does not even miss a day. Eric eats eggs each and every day. Eric eats his eggs even on holidays. Eric even eats Easter eggs. Eric eats extra eggs on Easter. Eric cannot get enough eggs. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.